Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to the fourth part. Yes, fourth part of the chapter Refraction of Light. So what we did in the first three part? In first three part we discussed about refraction, refractive index, critical angle, total internal reflection. Yes, all these parts are covered, and all those three videos, if you have missed, their links are there in the description box. You check it and you must see those videos. Okay, these are the important sections for your exam, your board exam. Got it? So, and in this fourth part we'll discuss more on this critical angle. Few figures will discuss, few glass prisms will discuss, glass prisms of different shape. Okay, and the ray will enter to those glass prism and how this ray will behave. You got my point? The ray will come and the ray will enter to the glass prisms of different shape, and how this ray will behave. Okay, we'll discuss this. All this we'll discuss, and these figures are very important. If you check previous year's question papers, previous 5 to 6 years question paper, if you check, you will find this type of figures are there. These figures are very important. You must practice this, which we are going to discuss now. So let's start. First of all, tell me what is called critical angle. We have already discussed in the last video, part 3. Part 3 of refraction, we already discussed what is called critical angle. Critical angle is that particular angle of incidence for which angle of refraction is 90 degree. Yes, critical angle is that particular angle of incidence for which angle of refraction is 90 degree. Now, since I told you we are going to discuss about some glass prism, means the prisms which are made up of glass. For glass, critical angle is 42 degree. What I said? 42. Yes. 42 degree is the incident angle for which angle of refraction is 90 degree. Got it? I repeat. When the angle of incidence is 42 degree, then angle of refraction is 90 degree. And this is, I'm talking about glass and air. Glass and air. Not about glass and kerosene, glass and mustard oil, glass and water. No. Only glass and air I'm talking about. Okay. When the light is traveling from glass to air, then the critical angle of glass is 42 degree. We'll draw it and we'll understand it. Okay. See. Say a prism is there, a glass prism. Okay, a glass prism whose all the sides are same. This is a glass prism whose all the sides are same. That means 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. Okay. Now, a ray of light perpendicular, it's falling on this prism. Got it? A ray of light which is falling on the prism, making 90 degree with the side. Say 90 degree with the side. Okay. And I told you in the first part of the chapter refraction, I told you that first video I told you, when a ray of light is coming straight, it will go straight. Okay. Whichever medium it is, if the light is going straight, okay, means 90 degree. If it is perpendicular to the surface, then it will go perpendicular. Got it? If it is perpendicular, then it will go perpendicular only. Fine. So it will go like this. Now we have to find few angles. See it very carefully. See, this angle is 90 degree. I told you if this is 90, then this will also be 90. It will go straight, the same path, same way. Okay, so it is 90, so it is also going straight. Now, see this triangle, this is the small triangle, 60 degree, 90 degree. How much is this? Yes, 30 degree. Because this is a triangle and we know the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180. So 60, 90, this will be 30 degree. Got it? Now, this is the normal I am drawing. Okay, you know normal? Of course you know. We have already discussed in the first part of the video. Normal. Okay. Normal. Normal means always 90 degree. Normal makes 90 degree with the surface. That means this is 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree. Now this much is 30 degree. So how much is this? How much is this? Yes, 90 minus 30. That is 60 degree. 60 degree. Okay. Now from this one, can you tell me which is the angle of incidence? Angle of incidence is 30 degree. No, wrong. Angle of incidence is 60 degree. Because angle of incidence is the angle between incident ray and normal. You understood my point? Angle of incidence means the angle between incident ray and normal. So this is incident ray and this is normal. So what is the angle between them? Is 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree. Understood? Now, if this is 60 degree, which is more than 42 degree? Yes, 42 degree. Because 42 degree is the critical angle. And in the third part of the chapter refraction, in the third video, I told you when the angle of refraction is, or the angle of incidence. Okay, let us talk about angle of incidence. From the definition of total internal reflection, we know that if the angle of incidence is more than critical angle, if the angle of incidence is more than critical angle, then it will suffer total internal reflection. Understood? Let us do it here. I said if angle of incidence is more than 42 degree, this is for glass. Say this is glass, made up of glass, that's why I am doing it. Okay, for glass. So if angle of incidence is more than 42 degree, then it will go total internal reflection. Means now angle of incidence 60 degree, which is more than 42 degree. That means it will not go to air. It will go total internal reflection. Means it will go like this. Total internal reflection. Means this ray is not traveling here. It will not go here. Okay. Here the term is little complicated. You must understand it very nicely. See, if the angle of incidence is more than 42 degree, this is 60 degree, which is more than 42 degree. That's why it will go total internal reflection. It will not pass with this way. Okay, it will not go this way. Understood? So, where it is going, now, see, since it is the case of reflection, okay, reflection is going on, and in reflection we know that angle of incidence and angle of reflection are equal. So, angle of incidence and angle of reflection, 60 degree, equal. So, this is 60. So, this much is 30, because we know that the total is 90 degree. Total is 90, normal. That's why total is 90. So, this much is 60 and this much is 30. Okay. Now, for this triangle, this is 30, this is 60. So, this much will be 90. Yes, this much will be 90. And I told you, when a ray of light falling 90 degree with the surface, then it will go straight. This way, 90 degrees. See, when it is 90 degree, it will go straight. So, when it is 90 degree, it will go straight. Understood? See, the figure. The ray is going like this, but the ray is not going from glass to air. Because of this 60 degree is the angle of incidence, which is more than 42. So, it will go like this. Understood? If you have not understood this figure, see the calculation here. Again, you rewind the video. Okay, you go back in the video and rewatch the video. You will understand the thing. Got it? And any doubt of this portion, you can write in the comment section. Okay, I will try to clear your doubts. Okay, we'll discuss more on this. I hope after discussion of all these figures, the things will get clear. See, we'll discuss one more figure. Say now this is a right angular prism. Okay, this is a prism where all the angles were 60 to 60, but this is a prism. Okay, this is a glass prism where this angle is 90, this is 30 degree, and this is 60 degree. Okay, now the ray is going again perpendicular. Okay, if the ray is going perpendicular to the surface, we know that it goes straight. From here we know that. So it is going straight. Okay, this is the normal, same procedure. This is the normal, this is 90 degree, 90, 30. So this much is 60 degree. This much is 60 degree. Okay, and we know that normal, so this total angle is 90 degree. So if this is 60, so this much will be 30. Okay, 30 degree. So angle of incidence is 30 degree. I told you angle of incidence is the angle between incident ray and normal. The angle between incident ray and normal is 30 degree. 30 degree. Is 30 degree more than 42 degree? Never. So 30 degree is not more than 42 degree. If it is more than 42 degree, then only it will go total internal reflection. But it is 30 degree. Angle of incidence is 30 degree. So it will not go total internal reflection. The ray will go from glass to air. Okay, like this. Understood? Here total internal reflection took place. Here total internal reflection will not take place. Okay, I'll discuss another figure. You will understand it. See. Now say I am taking another rectangular prism, 90 degree. Okay. This is 45 degree, this is 45 degree. Understood? Ray is going like this. Again 90 degree. So if it is 90 degree, it will go straight. Fine. Now, this is 90, 90, 90, 45. So this will be 45. And this is, this normal is not looking like normal. Okay, let me draw it again. This is the normal. Okay, and we know that normal is making 90 degree with the surface. So this is 45. This much is also 45. Okay, 45. So this much is also 45. Understood? Now if this is 45, which is more than 42 degree, angle of incidence is more than 42 degrees. So total internal reflection. So it will go total internal reflection. It will not go to air. Okay. So total internal reflection, since the reflection is taking place, reflection, and we know in reflection, angle of incidence, angle of reflection, both are same. So if this is 45, so this is also 45. Okay. If this is 45, this is also 45. If 45, 45, so this will be 90 degree obviously, because sum of three angles is 180 degree in this triangle. So this is 90, and we know that when it comes 90 degree, it goes straight like this. Understood? This is the fact. We'll discuss two more diagrams for this portion. Okay. Next figure. In the next figure, see. Again we are taking a right triangular prism. Okay, 45, 45. Correct? 45, 45. And the ray is coming like this. Okay, the ray is coming like this, perpendicular. And we know that when the ray is perpendicular, that will go straight. Okay, and it is given, this is 45. Okay, this is 45, and we know that this much is 90 degree. Okay, and this much is 45, 90, so it has to be 45 degree because sum of all the three angles is 180 degree. Now this is 45 degree. Now we are drawing a normal here. Okay, so this is 45. This much will also be 45 because we know that normal means 90 degree. So 45, 45. Now tell me, what is the angle of incidence? Angle of incidence is between the incident ray and normal. Incident ray and normal. So this is 45. Okay, 45. Now 45, it's more than 42 degree. Angle of incidence is more than 42 degree. So 42 degree is more. So the ray will suffer total internal reflection. So the ray will suffer total internal reflection. Now, since it's reflection, so angle of incidence, angle of reflection will be equal. So it's 45 degree, it will also be 45 degree. So in this way the ray is going like this. See? Now see this triangle. This is 45. Why? Because this is normal. This is normal. And this total angle is 90 degree. The total angle is 90 degree. So this is 45. This is also 45. Okay? Now 45, 90. It has to be 45. Draw a normal here. Normal is 90 degree, we know that. So this much is 45. This is also 45. Now again angle of incidence. See, again angle of incidence is 45 degree, which is more than 42 degree. So again the total internal reflection. Okay, again the total internal reflection. That means this is 45 degree, this is also 45 degree. Okay, if it is 45 degree, this is 45 degree. Because normal total is 90 degree. So this much is 45, this is also 45. So this has to be 90 degree. Because in this triangle, the sum of all the three angles has to be 180 degree. Now since the ray is coming 90 degree with the surface, so it will go straight like this. See, this is the figure. And again I want to mention that if you have any doubt on this, you must rewind the video and watch it again. Okay, and if further doubts, you mention in the comment section. Got it? So these are the few figures which are very, very important for your upcoming board exam. You must draw this figure by your own and practice it. Got it? We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.